Elise with Duro Dancing here, and we're getting ready to stomp it out to Country Girl Stomp, aka Country Girl Twerk. If you still need to learn this dance, go ahead and click that link above. It'll take you directly to the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. It'll keep you updated on all our new and upcoming dances. All right, if you're ready to twerk out, I will see you on the other side.
Getting high on 38s, pulling up in the Chevrolet. That Daisy Duke, jump on out, make you wanna run around screaming and shout. Find a spot way back in the woods. Country girls, yeah, they do it good. She grab her knees, then drop it down low, little twist and shake. That's how she rolls.
Is outside by the bonfire, radio turn way up. Them denim shorts cut way off, and a Chevrolet jack way up. Dancing around, turning up. Girl on fire, she burning up. The way she poppin', drop it to the floor. That's that country
She
girl.
puts her hands up high, started taking shots. Then she took it to the dance floor and dropped it like it's hot. She was out there with her friends, putting in work. They ain't no competition for her. Hell no, that's a country girl twerk.
Find a spot way back in the woods.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
Country girls, they do it good.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
She grab her knees, she drop it down low.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
Little twist and shake, that's how she rolls.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk. With the boys, we was at the bar, looking for a good time. We was flirting hard when a blonde-haired chick walked through the door. She was turning heads on the way to the dance floor. Country girls gather round, watching her, she breaks it down. Jealous girls, they start to fry. With a crooked little smile, she shuts them
She
down.
was sitting in the bar with a drink in her hand, take a shot at the shot with a couple of friends. Next thing you know, the DJ turned up, little country mix with some bump in the trunk. She grabbed the girls and they hit the floor. And them Daisy Duke, she dropped it low with them cut off jeans with a knot in the shirt. She was fine as hell with that country
She puts
girl.
her hands up high, started taking shots. Then she took it to the dance floor and dropped it like it's hot. She was out there with her friends, putting in work. They ain't no competition for her. Hell no, that's a country girl twerk.
Find a spot way back in the woods.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
Country girls, they do it good.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
She grab her knees, she drop it down low.
Yeah, that's a country girl twerk.
Little twist and shake, that's how she rolls.
Yeah, that's a country girl